In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TickTick as an online coach. We'll start in the Today view of TickTick. This is the best place to get oriented because it shows everything due now so you can immediately see what's on your plate. Keeping this open while you organize will help you confirm that new tasks show up where and when you expect. Next, look to the left sidebar and find the Lists section. This is where you'll group your coaching work. Think of a list as a dedicated space for a client, a program, or a workflow like onboarding. When you're ready to create one, click the small plus icon next to Lists. Type a clear specific name for the new list. For example, you might use a client's initials in program phase or a program name like Group Coaching Cohort. Clear names make it easier to filter and share context quickly. Choose a list color that stands out. Color coding is a simple way to visually separate client work from admin tasks or marketing. Pick a consistent color scheme across clients or categories so your sidebar stays intuitive at a glance. Select the view type that fits how you work. If you move clients through stages, a board-style view is helpful. If you run linear task sequences, the standard list view is perfect. Pick the layout you'll actually maintain day to day. Assign the list to a folder if you use them. Grouping all client lists under a clients folder and your business operations under admin keeps everything tidy and easy to collapse. Then choose the list type. For most coaching needs, the default task list is ideal. Use a note style list if you're collecting reference material. Decide whether you want tasks from this list to show in smart lists like today or next 7 days. Turning this on makes time-sensitive items surface automatically so you don't miss a session or check-in. When everything looks good, click Add to create the list. Open your new list and click Add Task. Give the task a clear action label such as Coaching Call, Weekly Check-in, or Send Feedback. On the right, set the date using the date picker so it lands on your actual session or deadline. Pick a time to lock in the schedule. Add a reminder that suits the task, a short heads up before calls or a day before reminder for prep. If it repeats, set the recurrence, weekly for check-ins or monthly for billing follow-ups. Click OK to save. Then add your next task and repeat the process. As you build momentum, rely on smart lists to stay on top of what's due today and keep refining colors, folders, and views to match your coaching workflow.